When people think of the Vatican, they think of marble statues, Michelangelo's ceiling, ancient rituals frozen in time. But behind the art and the incense, the Vatican quietly manages one of the most mysterious financial portfolios on Earth. We're talking billions of dollars in real estate, gold, stocks, and global investments. No shareholders, no earnings calls, and almost no transparency. This isn't just a church, it's arguably the world's oldest hedge fund. For nearly 2,000 years, the Catholic Church has survived wars, empires, revolutions, and economic collapses. Kings fell, currencies died, civilizations disappeared. Yet the Vatican remained. And it didn't happen by faith alone. It happened because the Church mastered money, early, quietly, and extremely well. The Church's wealth didn't begin with vaults or investments. It began with land. In medieval Europe, land was power, and the Church became the largest landowner on the continent, gifted estates by kings who wanted divine favor or forgiveness. Over centuries, the Church collected farms, castles, entire cities, and massive tax-like tithes from believers. By the time modern banking was born, the Church already had something better: assets that never expired. Fast forward to the 20th century. Empires are gone. Land alone isn't enough. So the Vatican adapts. In 1942, it quietly creates the Institute for the Works of Religion, better known as the Vatican Bank. Despite the name, it's not a normal bank. It doesn't serve the public. It doesn't offer loans or credit cards. Instead, it manages money for the Church, religious orders, and select insiders. Think of it less like a bank and more like a private investment office for God. So what does the Vatican actually own? Here's what we do know. Real estate. The Church owns thousands of properties across Rome, Italy, and major global cities, many rented at market rates. Stocks and bonds. Investigations have revealed Vatican money invested in major corporations, including banks, energy companies, and even film studios. Gold reserves. Exact numbers are secret, but the Vatican holds significant gold, stored privately and historically used as a hedge against economic collapse. Global investments. From London real estate deals to international funds, Vatican capital moves quietly through the global financial system. No press releases, no balance sheets, just long-term positioning. Secrecy has a cost. Over the years, the Vatican has faced money laundering allegations, corruption scandals, questionable investment deals losing millions. One infamous London property deal alone reportedly lost the Church over $200 million. In response, recent popes have pushed for reforms, audits, oversight, and more transparency. But even today, the full picture remains hidden. By design. The Vatican doesn't chase trends. It doesn't day trade. It doesn't panic sell. It thinks in centuries, not quarters. And that's the real secret. While nations rise and fall, the Church plays the longest financial game in human history, quietly preserving wealth, power, and influence. So the next time you look at the Vatican, remember, behind the art, behind the faith, is a financial machine that's been compounding for 2,000 years.